Did you know that you could actually make up to $30 per hour by testing apps on your phone? Pretty cool, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 different websites that you could actually go to make money by testing out apps on your mobile phone. So pretty cool way to make some extra money on the side. If this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos on a regular basis that will show you how to grow an online business, how to make money online, and different ways that you could, of course, make money from the comfort of your own home. So if you enjoy videos like that, definitely be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And then this way you can be notified whenever there is a brand new video on this channel. But without further ado, let's talk about the top 5 ways on how you could, of course, make money by testing apps on your phone. So the very first website that I want to share for this is called UserLytx.com. This one has been around for quite some time, and it's pretty much a website, well, just like all these websites I'm going to be showing here. These are all websites that big companies, big brands that you probably know and are very well familiar with, they come to platforms such as this one to get feedback on their website. So there's millions of people all around the world, accessing the internet from their desktop device, their computer, laptop, smartphone, tablet, all these different devices, Apple devices, Android, Windows 10, Macs, all these different devices, and they are looking for feedback from everyday people just like yourself to let them know exactly how they could, of course, improve their websites, their mobile apps, all that type of stuff. They want to hear from you and they want to get actual feedback. So what you could do is you can come to a site called UserLytx.com, and right here, it is right above my finger right here. It is the link that says tester sign up. You want to click on this link right here. And this will take you to where you can get started as a tester for this platform right here. Now, the benefit with this one is that you can get paid via PayPal. And usually on average, you can get anywhere from $5 to $20 per hour from this one specific website here. So usually on average, you could probably expect to get about, 10 to 15 bucks per test that you take. And each of these tests, they take around, 10 to 15 minutes to, of course, complete. So once you complete them, once you, of course, complete the website test or the app, the app test, then you get paid that amount to your PayPal account right there. So pretty much how it works is you get some sort of screen recording software on your computer, kind of like what I'm using right here to, of course, make this video. And pretty much all you're doing is you are just navigating a website just like how you normally would while speaking your thoughts out loud. So you visit a website that they give you like a specific set of instructions, like step 1, go to the about page, find the about page. So you find the about page, and then of course, it'll ask okay, how easy was that task right there? So you have to voice your opinion there. That was super easy. I was able to find that no problem. Or, that was very difficult. I had trouble finding that. And it's just stuff like that where they have you, of course, go through certain steps. And then you just are speaking your thoughts as you're navigating a website. So that's pretty much all it is there, is you're just, of course, navigating through different websites and then speaking your thoughts, giving your feedback right there. So UserLytx is the very first site for this that I wanted to, of course, mention. Second one is called TryMyUI. So this is very similar to UserLytx. Again, if you want to, of course, get started as a tester on this platform, you can click on Get Paid to Test. And of course, this will give you more information on what you could, of course, expect to make from TryMyUI. So here it shows get paid to use websites and apps. So again, just like before, it's both websites like you can get on your desktop device, Windows 10, Apple, Mac computers, or even sometimes on your mobile phone as well. So you could have they also oftentimes these platforms will have you get a screen recorder on your mobile device as well. And then if you have a headset or a microphone that you could use that you could, of course, plug in, you just plug that in, and then you, of course, speak your thoughts out loud as you are navigating the website right there. So that's pretty much, again, how that all works. And here it says a typical test approximately lasts about 20 minutes. So 20 minutes of work, and you get paid $10 right there. So if you do, 3 of these in 1 hour, that's 30 bucks, right there. So 20 times 3 is 1 hour. And then that is 30 bucks in total right there. So pretty good way to make some good money online just by testing out websites. Again, all you're doing is you're navigating different websites and, of course, speaking your thoughts out loud. So very simple concept, very straightforward. And as long as you know how to browse a website and speak, then you could definitely do this. So TryMyUI is the second website for this. The third one is called UserTesting.com. This one has been around for a very long time, and I believe this is actually one of the more popular sites when it comes to testing out websites. I've actually signed up for this one myself, and I have actually done some of the tests on this website. So again, you come to UserTesting.com, click on the link that says Get Paid to Test, and then you could, of course, get started as a website tester right here. So here we have 3 steps. It says earn up to $60 per test. Visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and then step 3 is, of course, get paid. So again, you have, I know this one pays out through PayPal, so you will need a PayPal account for this one right here. But as long as you have that, then you're pretty much good to go. You just enter your email, click the sign me up button, and then they will have you take a test to see how well you do. And if you do very good, then you are pretty much accepted into the platform right then and there. So it's a pretty great way to, of course, once you, of course, get in, then you could just take tests, whenever you want, whenever there are some available, and then you could, of course, complete the work, and then you get paid that amount right there. So this one, it does say earn up to $60 per test, but usually on average, it's about, I want to say, 10 to 20 for each test, because most of them take like 10 to 15 minutes. However, there are some of them on here that I've seen where some of them take place through like a one-on-one interview where you could be talking with someone, and that can go on for maybe 30 minutes to an hour. You're, of course, talking about some sort of new product or something like that. So there are some that are kind of different, but for the most part, it's pretty much you're navigating a website, speaking your thoughts out loud, and then getting paid that commission right there. So that is user testing. That's number 3. Number 4 is a site called TestingTime right here. And this one is based, I believe, in the, looks like in the UK. It says earn up to 50 euros per hour, I think that is. So 50 euros, if we translate that to US dollars, I actually looked that up here. It translates to $55.11 in the dollar amount right there. So it actually says, earn up to 50 euros per hour, $55 per hour. So it's a pretty great earning potential with one specific hour of work with this website. So test products at home via Skype or on site with a customer. Impact the products of tomorrow with your opinion. You are one of the first people to test future products and have an opportunity to improve them. Take a break to try something new. We guarantee variety, fun, and extraordinary experience. And all you have to do to get signed up is, of course, enter your first name and email, and then click on Become a Tester. And just like before with a lot of these other website testing platforms, they will have you take a test in the beginning to, of course, see how well you do. If you, of course, do very well, then you get accepted into the platform, and you could take as many tests as they have available. So again, my personal recommendation is to check out each of these different website testing platforms, and then you could, of course, get paid to test out the websites here. So, of course, the more you sign up, the more of these that you sign up for, the more opportunities for you there will be to, of course, make money by testing websites. And then the last website is called Enroll, and it's enrollapp.com. And this one is specifically, I'd say, primarily for, testing out mobile apps. So it's, you get signed up here, email, password, enroll now. And then here it shows, be the first, see what real companies are working on right now, and let them know what you think. You'll be the first to get sneak peeks behind the screen. Take tests anywhere addicted to your phone or tablet. Fear not, you could take user tests on any device, phones, tablets, desktop, whatever you prefer. And then, of course, you also get rewards, collect badges to show off to your friends, and get compensated for each test, conveniently via PayPal. So again, this site also pays through PayPal, and most of these do pay through PayPal, which is pretty cool. And then you're pretty much, helping change the web, be a part of the internet's next revolution, help get good ideas happen, make suggestions, and stop the bad ones in their tracks. So pretty much all you're doing is you're just helping out big companies that, they're looking for feedback, from everyday people just like yourself. And by providing your opinion, your valuable opinion on the website, then you could, of course, help them make improvements to their website. So really, at the end of the day, all you are doing is you are just navigating through websites or different mobile apps on your phone as well, and you're just speaking your thoughts out loud. You're just, going through certain, functions in the app, testing out different features that they have, finding different pages, finding, all sorts of other things, and you're just speaking your thoughts out loud. So it's a very simple concept, and really just about anyone, I believe just about anyone can really do this. So this is a great way to make some extra money on the side. And if you, of course, sign up for all of these sites, then there is a very good chance that it could be a very good side income, or who knows, maybe this could eventually become a full-time thing as well. So it really comes down to how much work there is available. I probably would not recommend relying on this too heavily as like a full-time thing. Start with this as something more of like a, on the part-time, and then if you can get lots of work coming in regularly, then I would definitely suggest perhaps maybe doing this full-time, or maybe to get some extra money. So whatever you prefer with this is a very great way to make some extra money on the side. But anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know your thoughts on these different website platforms, and also give this a thumbs up, because it really does help the channel if you, of course, got value out of this video. And if you want to learn more about how to create more of a passive income online, like let's say that you want to create more of like a full-time income online where you could be working on your own terms, be your own boss, work wherever you want to. My #1 link down below this video, the very first link, will give you access to my free training, and that will show you much more into depth about how to really build a passive income online. So if you are curious to learn more about that, and you want to learn more about how to create more of a passive income online, definitely be sure to check out that first link down below. But anyways, I hope you found this video helpful, and take care.